Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to start with you the multiplication worksheet sharing with you. So let's start with me. In this picture we see that we can write this statement two form. Either we can write 4 group of 3 or we can write 4 multiplied by 3 is equal to 12. In this picture we can write 3 group of 4 or 3 times 4 is 12 product form. Okay, product is multiply and answer group 1. Two groups are given and we can write this statement as 2 group of 4 or 2 times 4 is 8. In the next picture we see that the 4 groups are given dash group of dash, but basically we can write that 4 groups of 2, but 4 times 2 is 8. In the next picture we see that a 6 group of 4 sweets, so either we can write 6 times 4 is 12. In the next picture we see that the 4 group of 6 sweets, so we can write 4 times 6 is 24. So move on the next page. On the next page we see that the fill in the blanks. There are 4 groups are given and I have dash equal groups of butterflies 4. There are dash butterflies in each group. There are 10 butterflies in each group. And how many butterflies are there in all? 4 groups of 10 butterflies. 4 times 10 is 40. So in the next picture we see that the 5 groups are given. I have 5 equal groups of apples. There are 9 apples in each group. And how many apples are there in all? 5 groups of 9 apples. 5 times 9 is 45. So in the next picture we see that the 6 groups are given. Look at the groups of flowers and write the complete sentences is at. So we can write this one is as 6 groups of 5. 6 groups of 5, or either we can write is as 6 times 5 is 30. So move on the next page. On the next page we see that the one group is given and is there is one box. We see that the further 7 dots are given, so we can write the statement as 1 times 7 is 7. Similarly in the next picture we see that the two blocks are given and each block has contained 7 dots, so we can write the statement as 2 times 7 is 14. Similarly 3 times 7 is 21, 4 times 7 is 28, 5 times 7 is 35, 6 times 7 is 42, 7 times 7 is 49, 8 times 7 is 56, 9 times 7 is 63, and 10 times 7 is 70. So basically this is a table of 7. So move on the next page. On the next page, we see that the read the table of 9 and colors the correct answer. So we circle or all the numbers that are comes in tables of 9. Students, you can very easily with in the first line we circle 27, 36, 45. In the second line we circle 18, 54, 81 and 90. On the last line we color 63 and 72. Students, you can remember this one that 0 multiplied by any number answer is always 0. So or all numbers are 0, either 0 multiplied by 1, 2, 3, 4, any number multiply, so the answer is 0. So 3 multiplied by 8 is 24, 5 times 3 is 15, 6 times 3 is 18, 3 times 9 is 21, 3 times 4 is 12, 7 times 3 is 21, 3 3s are 9, 3 times 2 is 6. Similarly we complete this circle and answers are all written. I can tell you 1 times 6 is 6, 1 times 3 is 3, 1 times 0 is 0, 1 times 7 is 7, 1 times 4 is 4, 1 times 8 is 8, 1 times 5 is 5, 1 times 9 is 9, and 1 times 6 is 6. So move on the next page. On the next page we see that the write multiplication and addition problem for each picture. So one picture is given. We can see that the basically there are the 3 groups are given and in each group we see that there are 6 dots, so we can write this statement as 3 times 6 is 18, or with the help of the addition we can write number 6. We can write number 6 3 times. We can write 6, so 6 at 6, 6 is equal to 18. Similarly in the second picture we see that the 4 stars in each group and there are 5 groups are given, so we can write the statement as 5 times 4 is 20, or we can write 4 with the help of addition sign. We can write 4 5 times with the help of using addition sign. So the answer is 20. In the next picture we see that the 3 group of 7. So 3 multiplied by 7 is 21, or 7 we can write 3 times with using the sign of addition. So the answer is 21. In the next picture we can see that the 3 groups of 4. So we can write the statement as 3 multiplied by 4 is 12, or 4 we can write 3 times using addition sign. So the answer is 12. In the next picture we see that the 3 groups of 5. So we can write the statement multiplication form is 3 multiplied by 5 is 15, or 5 write 3 times using addition is 15. In the next picture we see that the these are the 4 group of 7. So we can write statement as 4 times 7 is 28, or 7 we can write with using addition sign with 4 times. So the answer is 28. So in the next picture we can see that the we can write see this picture is these are the 4 group of 6. So we can write the statement as 4 multiplied by 6 is 24, or 6 we can using addition sign we can write 4 times is equal to 24. So move on the next page. On the next page we can see that the multiplication is repeated addition of some equal set or group. Missing numbers are completed at 6. At 6 means either you can read a table of 6, 6, 12, 12 at 6. So the answer is 18. 24 already written. So 24 at 6. So the answer is 30. 36 already written. 36 at 6. So the answer is 42. 48 at 6. So the answer is 54. Similarly, we complete this one at 7, or you can read the table of 7. 7, 14, 21, 28, 35, 42, 49, 56, 63 and 70, or you can write 35 at 7. So the answer is 42. Same on the pattern we can same solve 8, add 8 and add 9, or you can read a table of 8 and 9 and complete these boxes as well. So our multiplication topic are now completed. Thanks for watching my video. Click the like button if you enjoy the video, and please subscribe our channel. See you next time. Bye bye.